Hello everyone, welcome to my channel MLC, that is Mathematics Learning Center. In today's session we are going to discuss a problem of mensuration. So in this problem we have two cubes are joined together and each has length of side is 10 centimeter. Find the surface area of new shape. So here are the answers. Options are given: 1200 centimeter square, 1100, 1000 centimeter and 800 centimeter square. So write the answer in comment box. Think over and write the answer in comment box. But in the same lecture we are discussing the solution also. So first let us understand what is the problem. Imagine the problem. To imagine the problem, I am taking some shapes of which are of almost cubes. So think that these are two cubes and each has side 10 centimeter. All the side lengths are 10 centimeter in this cube, and in this cube also sides are 10 centimeter. Now the problem is saying we are joining the cubes. Let us join the cubes. We join the cubes. Now once we join the cube, the figure is changed. The three-dimensional cube is a three-dimensional figure in which all the sides have same length and adjacent angle is 90 degree. So now once we join these two cubes, the 3D figure is changed. Now this new 3D figure is formed like this. The single figure by joining two cubes. Okay. So let us first discuss in this three-dimensional figure how many faces we have and what are the shape of those faces. So first look at this top face. What is the shape of this top face? This is a rectangle. Okay. And if we discuss the sides length, so what would be the length of sides? Can you imagine how we obtain this figure? By joining two cubes of length 10 centimeter sides, 10 centimeter 10 centimeter. So now this length will be 20 centimeter. So in this rectangle surface has length 10 centimeter and what is the width? And length is 20 centimeter. 10 plus 10, 20 centimeter, and width is 10 centimeter. So the top face is in the shape of rectangle. So what about the just opposite shape, which is at the bottom? At the bottom, this shape. You can look at your room also. This is your ceiling, this is the face of your ceiling, and this is the face of your ground in the room. So what is this shape? This shape will also be a rectangle and of same dimensions as the top face. So this bottom face is also a rectangle, length 20 centimeter and width 10 centimeter. Okay, now we got two faces are rectangle. Now what about other faces? if you look at this side wall, this side wall, this side wall will also be in the shape of rectangle, okay, and the length and width will be the same. Length is 20 centimeter and width is 20 centimeter. This shape, this wall is also in the shape of rectangle, and length is 10 centimeter, width is length is 20 centimeter and width is 10 centimeter. Similarly, the opposite wall, this wall will be a rectangle, length 20 centimeter and width 10 centimeter. Okay, so how many in this figure, new figure, how many faces we discussed till now which are in rectangle shape? 4 faces, top, bottom, this wall and opposite wall. These are 4 rectangle faces whose length is 20 centimeter and width is 10 centimeter. Okay, now how many faces are left? If you see your room, you will check there is top where your fan is there, ceiling part, then ground floor part, these are 2 faces, then 4 walls, these are 4 faces. So in cube or in cuboid we have total 6 faces. So 4 faces we have figured out. What are the how many faces are left? 2 faces. So what are 2 faces left? One is this face, and what would be the shape of this face? This will be a square shape. Okay, this length how much? 10 centimeter and this width 10 centimeter. So now we have figured out 5 faces. 6 face, the opposite face will be also, it is square face, length 10 centimeter and width 10 centimeter. So till now we understood the problem by figure. Now we'll solve the problem. How many faces we have in rectangle shape? 4 faces we have in rectangle shape and 2 faces we have in square shape. Now go to the what is your surface area of 3-dimensional figure? Basically, surface area of 3-dimensional figure is basically the sum of area of all the surfaces by which the 3D object is forming. So to find the surface area of new figure, we have to find the area of each surface and then sum up them. We will get the surface area of 3D object. So these surfaces which we figure out, they are basically 2-dimensional figure. Rectangle is a 2-dimensional figure. So now we have already figured out the length and width. How much length? 20 centimeter and width is 10 centimeter. As we know the formula for area of rectangle, length into width. So area of this one rectangular face will be 20 into 10, that is 200 centimeter square. But in our new 3D object, how many faces we have in rectangle form? We have 4 faces in rectangle form, and each rectangle has same length 20 centimeter and same width 10 centimeter. So what would be the area of all these 4 rectangles? Just multiply by 4. We have find 200 centimeter square is the area of one rectangle. If we multiply it by 4, so we will get 800 centimeter square, which is the area of all 4 rectangular faces. Okay, now we have computed the area of 4 faces. Total faces we have 6. How many faces are left? 2 faces. To compute the area of raised 2 faces, we will, as we have already seen in picture, these two faces we have in in square shape, and what is the side of square? 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. So find the area of square. Area of square will be, one square will be 10 into 10, that is 100 centimeter square. How many total square we have in our new object? We have two squares, so area of two squares will be 2 into 100, that is 200 centimeter square, because the area the dimension is same of each square. So that is simply we are just multiplying by 200 centimeter square. So till now we have in step wise, in simplified way, we have computed the area of all the faces, all 6 faces. The area we have computed. First 4 faces, rectangle faces, the area is total area is 800 centimeter square, and the rest 2 square faces have area 200 centimeter square. The surface area of our new shape which we got by joining two cubes will be sum of the area of all surfaces. 800, this is 4 surfaces area, and 2 square surfaces area is 200. So sum them up, we will get 1000. That is our final answer. Is area of surface is new area of surface of our new figure is 1000 centimeter square. So this is the problem which we discussed. This is the school level problem. Grade you will introduce in grade 6 to 8. And if you like the video and it is useful, you understood the concept, then please like and share the video and subscribe the channel MLC. Thanks.